When you make a mobile, you want to start at what most people call the bottom of the mobile, which it actually is the top of the mobile. It's kind of like when you design a building. You really need to design from the top down. You have to know where you're going so that you know what kind of foundation you need. So let's say that this is the bottom of the mobile, which is actually the top. The first thing we want to do is find its center of mass. An easy way to do that is just to support it like this and then bring your two hands together. And what happens is there's an interchange between normal force and friction. Okay, so for example, you notice that my left hand now is sliding, but my right hand is not. That means that there's more friction on my right due to the greater normal force. But now you'll notice that my left hand stops and now my right hand starts sliding, and that's because now the normal force is greater on the left side. Okay, and this keeps on going until you finally reach the center of mass. Now, what's going on here in terms of torque is that this side of the meter stick's weight is approximately 25 centimeters from the axis of rotation, and so is this side. So the torques balance. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach a clamp to the center of mass of the meter stick, make some fine adjustments. Actually I don't. Okay, now I'm going to take another meter stick and I'm going to attach an end of the meter stick to this clamp. Okay, so right at the end. And now I'm going to find the center of mass of this system using the same technique as before. Okay, so I just slide my hands together and they automatically come together at the center of mass of the system. Okay. Now in terms of torque, what this means is that this side of the meter stick has a weight which is maybe about right here, and that exerts a torque about this point here, which is my axis, and that torque should be equal but oppositely oriented to the torque that this side of the meter stick exerts about this axis. Okay, and you notice that this is a lot closer to the axis of rotation, and that's because it weighs more. Okay, so I'll put a clamp here, make some fine adjustments so that it looks level. Okay. Now I'll take a third meter stick, attach it here, repeat the process. I was moving it the wrong way there. Fourth meter stick. Repeat the process. And you can keep on doing this. Okay. Let's try another meter stick. Hopefully the clamp holds it all. And there we go. So there's our mobile.